Hi, in this lesson we'll explore a specific type of algorithm used with arrays, array lists, and 2D arrays, searching algorithms. You can traverse an array or an array list to access each element in the list. You can also traverse a 2D array to access each element in the 2D array. With this ability, you can use traversals to search for individual elements in an array, array list, or 2D array. A linear search algorithm goes through each element in an array or array list one by one until it finds the desired value or has checked all of its elements. Let's look at an example using an array or an array list. Here you have a fruits list and you want to know if fig is in the list. This is a perfect example of a scenario that would require a linear search algorithm. The pseudocode for this algorithm would look like this. Loop through each element in the array or array list. If the element equals the target, or fig, return true. Let's say that the target is pear instead of fig. Now you loop through the whole array and do not find the target element. So the method returns false. Let's look at a 2D array example. This 2D array represents a teacher's roster for multiple clubs. Each row is a club or organization, like chess club or drama club. And each column is a student in that club. Let's say you want to answer this question. Is there a student named Kendrick? What club is he in? This is a great opportunity to use a linear search algorithm. To search a 2D array, you must access each row. Then, you can apply the linear search to each row. Let's see this in action. The pseudocode for this algorithm would look like this. Loop through each club, loop through each student. If student is the target student, return club index. Finally, the algorithm finds Kendrick, so it returns the club index, which is 3. Let's say that the teacher is looking for a student named Sarah. In this case, the algorithm will loop over each club and each student in each club, and when the target is not found, return -1. Now that you know about linear search algorithms, it's your turn to write your own.